stunning. The rain's finally stopped, but the wind hasn't. Walk up here, see where it takes us. You can tell by them waves how choppy it is up here today. Find some shelter. Got 5 minutes in here now and have a brew, and I won't bother lighting the fire, no point. Have a brew and then move on. Good little place to camp in here. Show you now. Somebody's left bits of stuff around here for everyone. And a ladder here, look. Up a ladder, there's somewhere to sleep. Tidy. The dog doesn't want to stay here, he wants to get going. I'll drink first. Graffiti everywhere. What that is? What's this? Hand sanitizer, is it? Body wash. Glove. Alright, cannabis incense sticks. Well, it's dirty, isn't it? Cody. We're resting here now for a bit. It's a cool little cabin this is, like. Might have to go and have a step, yeah? The weather gets better. Nestled away, look. In the mountains. Hang there. Nice view, look. That's it. We're off. We've had it warm now for about half an hour. Come on. This way. Head back up onto the path now. Without breaking my neck. My bloody dog pulling me. God, that wind is evil today. Serious, like. It just started snowing a little bit a minute ago. Out of there. Oh, it's choppy up here today. Whoa. Serious wind. The dog's found a mouse. Bones. Bones over here. Yeah, there's some big old bones then. just wandering. Don't know where I'm going, I'm just wandering around. Make the most of the okay-ish weather. We've got some serious rain coming again. Try and get a bit of footage for you guys like that. It's a bit windy. Beautiful over there. Over there, here comes the white stuff. See it rolling down the valley there. Great. Another sheep. Makes you wonder what actually gets them, to be honest. Well, I thought foxes would have had a fox would have a full grown sheep like. I might be wrong. Caught that white stuff's coming. To be fair, it seems to be going down that side and not quite reaching over here. I don't expect me. I spoke too soon. Look at it. In survival mode now. Time to get back to that bloody van. Good job I laid up today. Wasn't expecting this. I thought it was gonna be a nice day today, like. Obviously not. Oh well. Let's get going. It's a prime example why you shouldn't trust the weatherman or the weather reports when you come up in the mountains. Because it can blow in like this. Then all of a sudden you're completely lost because you can't see what's coming. And then you're in a serious palaver there. Survival mode. I've been working these mountains for maybe 20 years now. So I know where I'm going, but there's people out there that are unprepared, haven't got the right clothing on, haven't got the right footwear on, they get wet feet, they get lost, and then all of a sudden there's a break. The man said it was going to be nice, it's going to be sunny today, before the rain tomorrow, later on tonight and tomorrow. Look at it. Absolutely savage. Always come prepared, or you'll get caught short. Seems to have blown over a little bit now, which is a good thing. It's a bit rainy and windy, but at least it ain't blizzard conditions. I got a bit hectic at one point. Never mind. Working our way back now. Certainly ain't risky going through the woods today. I'll follow this fence line down here now and back down onto a path. Another load of rain coming in. What a miserable day. There's some serious destruction in there. It's been really windy lately. And that is ridiculous. I ain't going in there. Not today. I'll risk slipping on my ass going down here and going there, that's for sure. That is ridiculous in there. Just look at it, guys. There's trees down everywhere. Ooh-wee. Thank you. We're on the path now. Yeah, somebody commented asking whether it was a man-made wood. Now on my right here, you can see that's all 90% softwood. Now I'm pretty sure that that's all man-made up there, because they do clear it. As you can see in front of me there, they do clear it. So I'm pretty sure all that up there is man-made. Now it stretches for miles and miles. But this side, on my left, this is all, well, I presume it's ancient woodland. And that stretches for miles and miles up that way as well. But there's some big old trees on my left, and it's all softwood on my right. You can see it's all like conifers and pines, stuff like that. But up on that side, look, it's all there's all sorts of stuff in there. Big hornbeams, ash, all that. Yeah, you can see up there just how old some of these trees are. It's amazing, really. There are some big boys up in there. There is an old road that goes up there. Not sure where it goes to, like, but looks like an old cart track or something. Have a look up there one day. It looks like the trees have come down over it. Have a look now. I'd say some of these trees are serious age in them. There's the old track, look. Right up in there. Come and do a solo camp or something when the weather gets better. Get up in amongst it. That's it. Back to the van. Oh, nice one, dog. Back to the van. Going home? Yeah, let's go home. It's different down here, look. Come home and it's beautiful. It's not even windy.